লাইক সাবস্ক্রাইব এণ্ড কমেণ্ট যদি আপোনালোকৰ ভিডিঅ'টো ভাল লাগিলে আকৌ পিছৰ ভিডিঅ'টো চাব ये तोड़ दिया मैंने
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing well. So guys, today this video is going to be very exciting for me because we are going to Mago, which is in Arunachal Pradesh. I'm going with some of my friends and seniors, KU seniors, and yeah, right now I am at my seniors room. I came here for sleepover because so that it will be easy for us to travel, and also we are already done with our packing. We're already dressed. Now we will have our breakfast and we will go to Guwahati right now. From here we will take traveler to till Guwahati. After that, the rest of them will come and pick us, and then we will go. Today we will stop at Dirang and then we will continue our journey tomorrow. So yeah guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and watch till the end. Guys, she made me coffee. This is my senior from KU. Her name is yeah. So this is what we're having for breakfast. Mini breakfast.
Mini breakfast.
Yeah. Later. Okay. Guys, this is my outfit check. And we have already booked the Rapido. We will rickshaw, so we will be going. And yeah guys, I'm really super excited. So how about you? Are you excited?
Yes,
How much?
very much.
How is the Josh? Too high. This is our bag. That's my boots, my bag, her bag. We are here to make our IPL. We came here to buy some socks because it's cold. So guys, now we are heading towards to have our breakfast. Guys, we have already reached Naga, and right now we just can't stop and they are checking the car. Girls, how is the Josh?
Hi.
कैसा है Josh?
Hi,
So pretty. So pretty, the background. So guys, right now we are going down there and it's literally so pretty. Guys, just for the water. Rasta hai gya nahi malum, but we are going. Trip पे या तो adventure तो होना ही चाहिए. What's your name? What? So we took enough picture videos and right now we're heading back to the restaurant to have our lunch. Boys are already waiting for us. ट्रिप में आया है तो एक ट्रांजिशन रील तो बनता है.
बीच में रुका देता हूँ. Good. Blue white. Kandip. Good.
There was some problem in the car, so we are checking the car. So guys, हम लोग दिरांग पहुंच चुका है एंड गाड़ी का ब्रेक भी खराब हो चुका है, इसलिए हम लोग ये बना रही है. कितना टाइम लगेगा नहीं मालूम, पर we will wait. Let's see. रिप्लेस कर रहे हैं गाड़ी का ब्रेक पैड. Meanwhile, we're just chilling in the carriage and discussing what to do.
हबीबी बहनी पैराडाइज होगा. हाँ बहनी बिल कोटी भयो. दादू याबो छो. कोटी मुरे
ड्राइवर पूरा हाइप पे है अभी.
कोटी माई की टीम खेला तू. Guys, we have reached Dirang just now. Daisy vlog. So hello guys.
First camera, it's yeah. ठंड लग रहा है इसको. So guys, we have reached our homestay and this is how our homestay looks like. So this is our room.
प्याज कितना चाहिए? मैं बुढ़िया तक ना बना. अरे ये तोड़ दिया मैंने. ये गिर गया और एक ले जाएगा.
तेरा ही घर है ना ये?
मेरा अपना घर है ना।
हाँ।
अरे इन लोग को बोल देगा, मैं सुबह बोल देगा कि मैंने 3 तोड़ दिया।
वो जल जाएगा रे ब्रो। नो नो ब्रो, रोटेट कर रहे हैं। हो जाएगा हो जाएगा।
Misinga or misa pompani Manpuri baya hisu mai suwali sambuli Hai oi suwali sambuli Oh kata dangor bhai koke asonsar Hai oi koke asonsar Koti diya moyo
Garo garo. Yeah.
Malu mana sarai?